In this video we are going to run through the functionality of the top 3 tools for website testing. Before we begin, if you find this guide helpful, I'd be extremely appreciative if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel for update on my next video. Number 1 is Unbounce. Unbounce comes with a free 14 days trial. Create custom landing pages with Unbounce that convert more visitors than any website. No coding required. With Unbounce you will be able to convert more sales, convert more customers, and convert more leads. Unbounce is the #1 landing page platform for 15,000 plus brands. Design beautiful landing pages that convert more. The secret's out. While websites are great for information and exploration, they're duds at turning traffic into revenue. With Unbounce, you can create and optimize dedicated landing pages that prompt your visitors with one focused goal instead of leaving them to wander a site full of distractions. Build any page on your own. With their easy drag and drop builder and all-you-can-eat buffet of 100 plus landing page templates, you can bring any campaign vision to life in a fraction of the time it would take with a developer. Create the exact page you want. Design pages that look and act 100% the way you want them to. Customizable templates with optional JavaScript and CSS put looks and functionality in your hands, for both desktop and mobile. Continually grow your ROI. Get built-in conversion power and the ability to split test your pages to see exactly what's working. Experiment with messaging, design, and forms to validate what makes more visitors convert more often. Number 2 is Oracle Maximizer. Oracle Maximizer is for testing and personalization. Transform your business with Oracle Maximizer's advanced website testing and personalization solutions. Remove the guesswork and make data-driven decisions on websites and mobile apps to create a seamless and connected customer experience. From simple split testing to complex multivariate tests, Oracle Maximizer's intuitive self-serve interface, advanced personalization tools and recommendations, and robust insights make it easy. Oracle Maximizer has 6 key attributes that marketers love and IT trusts. Personalization. Advanced targeting, segmentation and recommendations with robust insights. Reporting and statistics. Guided campaign monitoring and advanced analytics. Cross-device campaigns. Create powerful, complex campaigns for virtually any type of site or device. Deployment. Simple to deploy and easy to use, get up and testing in no time. Performance. Oracle's Maximizer's synchronous delivery minimizes latency and content flicker. Security and data privacy. Oracle Maximizer's highly secure platform allows testing on all site areas while protecting your data. With Optimizely you can choose your role to get started. As an engineer, reduce risk and ship faster. Improve your product quality and velocity with feature management. Drive measurable impact with product experimentation. Optimize the experience across any platform including websites, backend code, mobile and conversational apps. As product manager, build better products with experimentation. Roll out new features confidently. Run tests on segments of your user base and apply only the changes that work. Experimentation solutions for rapid prototyping and more complex feature tests. As marketing and growth, make your marketing work harder. Target your messaging, personalize your campaigns, and ultimately drive substantial growth for your business. Powerful, easy-to-use solutions to test what messages, imagery, and offers help increase conversion, retention, and lifetime value. As data scientists make trusted decisions with data. Optimizely built a stats engine with leaders in statistical research at Stanford University that provides built-in false discovery rate and helps teams get to statistical significance faster. Coming soon, Optimizely's Data Lab enables data teams to query experiment analytics results, utilize multiple statistical models, and do ad hoc analysis using Jupyter notebooks. As team leader, grow faster with less risk. Transform your business with the world's leading experimentation platform, empowering product, engineering, and marketing teams to test, learn and deploy winning digital experiences, every time. With over 1 million experiments run on our platform and best-in-class services and support, we'll help you scale innovation across your organization. Thanks for watching. If you find this guide helpful, I'd be extremely appreciative if you could subscribe, like and comment below.